that's 9.8 litres per 100 k's over the last few hundred kilometres. And regarding the tyres, I think they are hard because my Dunlop's SP, the Dunlop Sport Maxes on the 2016 made this ringing noise on this road, and these are doing it as well. But the Michelin Pilot Cup 4, the Michelin Cup 4, whatever they were, did not make very much road noise at all. So let's see if we can get you to hear the tyre noise. It's like a ringing, like a high-pitched. It's not really doing it now on this surface, but it just was. It's sort of doing it now. So I don't know if you can hear that. And that's a hard tyre as far as I'm concerned. Can you guys hear that? So there are some grooves on this road for drainage, and you're getting a lot of road noise in the car. Luckily, the stereo system is that good that it overrides most of it. But yeah. Might give you an idea of some of the type of road noise you're going to get in the car. I am speaking quite loudly to even hear myself, so it's noticeable. Definitely noticeable. Wombeyan Caves. Is that the caves you went to at school? So it's more when you descend, they have grooves on the road and you get this really, really loud ringing noise, which is kind of creepy. Like, it's like a... And that's the fuel economy there. There you go. Did you hear that? Might start here and switch lanes. Actually, it'd be good if I loaded a decibel app and measured the decibels. It's definitely quieter than the old model, but at high speeds like this, you've got a lot of wind noise going on. Should we do the sunroof test, guys? So this was a lot more when you hit this wake up line. In the old model, it was, in the previous model, it was a lot more noticeable. Anyway, so it's a lot quieter, but you're going to get a lot of wind noise with these cars. These mirrors are great, but lots of wind noise, I guess, from the mirrors sticking out like that. And I figured out those front cutouts in the bug catchers at the front are likely to reduce drag. I mean, it'd be like a brick wall at the front without those vents. So the way they, in that video I made on the lift, where you can see the vents at the front and directing the air upwards for some reason into the bumper bar. we've now reduced the fuel economy further. It's just dropped to 9.6. Anyway, catch you later.